In this video we will create a dashboard, using Sankey diagram. Sankey diagrams are a type of flow diagram, in which the width of the arrows is proportional to the flow rate of the depicted extensive property. We will use a third-party custom visual. The link to the custom visual is placed below. You can download and create your own charts. Thousands of custom visuals are available online for powerbi. For the purpose of this dashboard, we will use the United States rivers data, which is available on Wikipedia. Import the data into Power BI using Get Data. Now import the custom visual, using Get More Visuals button. After the visual is imported, it will be placed on the Visualizations area. Insert a title for your dashboard using text box. Turn on the visual border for the title text box. Insert a map chart to display rivers on map. Resize and place the chart at left side of the dashboard. Add the river field to location, and the average discharge field to the bubble size area. Turn on the visual borders for the map chart. Change the map type to aerial, in the map settings. Insert the Sankey diagram, from the list of custom visuals. Add the river field to the source area, the outflow field to the destination area, and the average discharge field to the weight area. Turn on the visual borders for the Sankey diagram. Create a copy of the existing Sankey diagram and place it at the bottom right corner. Replace the average discharge field with the length field to display the rivers by their length. The dashboard is now complete. It shows where each U.S. river resides, from where it starts, and to where it ends. Please feel free to ask any question, or leave feedback in the comment section below.